Hello guys, welcome to Cloud Learning channel. So today I made this video for the people who are learning cloud computing and maybe looking for certification, some certification in cloud. Might be as you know that cloud has many companies are into cloud business like AWS, Amazon, Google, Microsoft, etc. So we are talking about in this video about AWS certification, and the certification name is AWS Solution Architect Associate Level course. This is in very much demand in the market, and probably you know that many of the people who is learning cloud or into cloud working into a cloud company are might be looking for this certification. So this in this video I would like to tell you that what are the topics basically in this course or in the certification which you have to prepare. And also uh, I have made one channel, as you already know, with the name of Cloud Learning. Probably you have seen, and if you haven't seen, you can search it on YouTube and easily can subscribe this channel. So in this video, I will try to explain what are the course content of AWS course and what the topics are there. And in the near future time, I will try to cover all those points, all those videos, all those topics by making videos with a practical example. Most of them are already available right now in Hindi language, and right now I am working on for the videos which will be available in English language. Some of them are already available in my channel, and you can check that one, and the rest will come soon. Like that you can expect 2 3 videos per week about these topics. So before that, if you haven't subscribed this channel, I request you to please subscribe this channel so that you can get the notification. I believe this will be going to very good place for learning. Uh, right now, till now, I have provided many videos in Hindi and English language about RDS and all the different services, CS, Cloud Formation, all the certification services. I have provided that, and people are liking that. Right now, we are approximately 229 subscribers, and the last month I was happy that there was 100 subscriber, but it's good to know like in another 1 month I am able to get 130 subscriber more. That means that people are liking this, and it boosts with your comments too. So guys, let's start with this course content. What will be the course content? And I can assure you that all these topics you can get on this channel. So keep watching on this video. My channel name is Cloud Learning, and if you want to subscribe it, subscription is free, and it just benefit is that you will get the future notifications of videos, and you can check the playlist of our channel where you can find AWS Solution Architect Associate course in English and AWS Solution Architect Associate course in Hindi. So by watching all these videos, you will be able to cover your certification, or it should help you a lot, I believe. That is the purpose actually. So let's proceed. Okay, so first thing, that AWS Solution Architect course, it covers like introduction to cloud computing, where we will cover the basics of cloud computing, how actually uh, physical data centers work or traditional data centers work, and how the life are getting changed. Like it got changed next. The VMware technology came, where not the many servers we have to focus on, and only one or two big servers we have to focus, and or we have to focus or we have to manage. And after that, many virtual servers is available, and after that we are moving to cloud computing where we not have to manage at all any hardware. So kind of this and about AWS architecture, that what are the regions where AWS is providing the services, etc. How to log in into AWS Management Console and how to set up an account. This is very important part of this course. After that, there is one service that is EC2 and EBS. EC2 is about the servers, the virtual servers which we create in AWS. So in this section, we used to learn that how to create virtual servers and how to assign the hard disk to them, like different, if you want different partitions, so how to assign the partitions or disk to the servers, virtual servers. That is done by EBS service, and servers are created by EC2 service. So this section is also we will cover. Right now already one video is available about this, that how to create a EC2 server and how to host a website also on this server. So that is already available. If you want to see, you can go to my playlist and you can check there. Okay. After that, we will learn that how to use auto scaling and load distribution in the AWS, like how to distribute the traffic which is coming in between different number of servers and how to auto scale it. Auto scaling is amazing feature. Right now, you know that in the traditional environment, it is very difficult to do the auto scaling. Like there will be definitely some downtime, etc. But here it is very transparent, and if your servers get load, there is another server get added, so that yours, like if you are getting lot of web traffic, etc. So it will automatically add in the background one or more server as per the requirement, and after that it will also shut down those servers to do the cost saving also, and very transparent, like you don't need to do anything much, just configure once and after that it's just going very easy. So already one video is available, like how to assign IP addresses, and regarding auto scaling and load distribution there will be one more videos soon. About AWS storage, another topic, like how to store your files, how to store your static website. S3 is very powerful tool where you can store lot of data easily, and it provide you the links so that you can access it on internet easily. Route 53 is a DNS service which is like as in Windows, DNS service is available. Here also AWS provide you DNS service, and even you can manage your complete servers, complete website by Route 53 itself. You can search your domain, you can purchase them, you can host them easily like you do in GoDaddy, etc. This is will be your one place where you can host all your servers, virtual servers, and their DNS settings too, quite easily. There is already one video available for this, so if you want to have a look, you can go there. Another section of VPC, that is another section of AWS. If you are doing Solution Architect Associate course, the network part, where you have to create for your company a particular dedicated network. So in this video, we will learn how to create your particular network and how to create subnets, how to define like your servers, which when you create will get a particular IP range, and how to isolate it from internet or from the open environment, and we learn how to ensure that they can only be accessible from your company network. Another important section, you know, that cloud service, cloud computing which provide is called database. So where whatever the database in market provides like available, like SQL Server, MySQL, Oracle, All databases are available in cloud computing or on the cloud. You can easily create the instances and you can give it to your team, like database team or whatever. And the latest versions which are coming, like DynamoDB or Elastic Cache, is also used in database, and that is also available on cloud. And MarioDB, whatever the latest version is coming of database, those are also available. There is already one link available right now for RDS, where I showed one example of MySQL instance, how to create a MySQL instance and connect it easily. So you can look it for that if you need. And as I told you that we will keep adding other videos too. Okay. Another part of important part of this course is AWS Identity and Access Management. Uh, I try to that make these videos very small, like 20-30 minutes, where we can understand the concept and we can see the practical example too. So I think that is quite useful. And okay, about IAM service, that IAM is something like if you're working in any company or if you are part of any IT infra, you already know that there are different kind of team, like help desk level 1, level 2. So here IAM helps to define us such groups, and we can create such groups so that we can give the restricted access on the resources, and those teams can do the work according to their access level, so that it doesn't produce any glitch, and only the capable or the authorized resources should work on these on the resources. So this can be done by IAM, and very easily in cloud we can learn how these very simple steps and very effectively can work. So we can learn these things in AWS course via IAM. Another important topic is CloudWatch, like that we all the infra which we create, we have to manage that, and we have to ensure that any server goes down, so we should get notifications. There should be no downtime, and if there is any downtime we should know, so that the IT infra work smoothly. So for this, CloudWatch service is available. Apart from this, there are few other small services like SNS, Simple Notification Service, or CloudFront, or we can learn how to host a website. So there are few other topics which we can learn. CloudFront is very good technology. Like if you are sitting in Australia and you are accessing a server from India, there will be definitely much latency. So there are mechanism or cloud provides such facilities, like they can host a data center or they can host your web server or your service in Australia data center itself, so that Australian user don't need to come to India or Australia or any other region like US region. If any person from US is accessing the data, it will fetch the data from US data center itself. Ultimately, it reduces the latency time. That is very good and very useful. And cloud has such power that to provide these facilities. So, guys, here you can learn that there are few important part like database, network, or servers, virtual servers, monitoring, their notification service. All are very easily manageable by cloud or by AWS. We are saying, or by cloud itself. And to get this and to get the certification, I believe, or to ensure that you have some idea or you have good idea on these things, you should do this certification, AWS Solution Architect Associate Level, which is very helpful, and you can understand AWS very well if you do this certification. So I strongly suggest you to go for this certification if you are going, and try to cover those points, the cover try to cover these aspects like network monitoring, database, virtual servers, messaging. All these topics are necessary, I already mentioned in this. So you can note down these topics and you can try to work on these topics. That will surely going to help you. Apart from this, if you are looking for certifications details or further points, so you can go for link aws.amazon.com/certification. There you can see all the content and it is very easily available. And here you can see there are three types of certifications which are available. One is Solution Architect Associate, which I am talking, and we will cover this topics in this series of videos. And this one, developer part, if you are a developer, so you can go for this. If you have to manage your IT infra or you would like to design your IT infra, you should go for this. And if you want to do both work like developer and operations, so you can go for this. And after that, so certification is a different part, but definitely you should start with this so that you will have a good knowledge of this AWS infra. The cost of this exam is $150. In INR, it comes approximately 10,000 rupees, and in dollars, it is $100 as I told you. And you can get all the details of the certification, all the course content details by going this, and you can check all the details like you can take the exam, you can download the exam guide, and you can verify the content which I told you. That is very much available there, and you have to work on those topics. So that's why I'm saying that this videos and these channels, these topics will be very helpful if you are looking for these certifications. So thank you. And if you have liked this video, please click on like button, click on share, or subscribe our channel so that you can get the notifications also. Uh, you can email me at my email address, that is awslearnings@gmail.com, for further queries. You can reach to our Facebook page too, and do write your comments in that. I would like to know your feedback. If you want to add anything in this course, or how would you find this video, is it you are useful, so please click like button. If so, so that I can know. And if you don't like this video, go for dislike button so that at least I can know that uh, what is your feedback for this. And do share your inputs in comment sections. So thank you, and keep watching for this channel so that you can get those topics in near futures. Thank you. Wish you a very good day.